I know you know rice and beans, normal stuff, but do you know spaghetti and beans? Like cook spaghetti and beans in the same pot. It's sweet though. Now I'm going to add some palm oil into a pot, going with some onions and some crayfish and stir it to combine. You can use some iri if you want, shy. It's optional. When it has combined, I'm going to go in with some pepper mix. In this pepper mix, I have tomatoes, I have shombo, tatase, and rodo. Enough rodo because anytime I'm using palm oil, I like using a lot of pepper so that I'll feel the heat. You're going to stir it to combine and season it adequately. I use just seasoning powder, nothing more. No, I do not have to do too much. Then I'm going to allow it to fry till the oil comes afloat. Going with some cooked beans. These beans I had cooked it's about 90% done, and then stir it to combine. Then you're not going to go in with some cooked spaghetti. Now for your spaghetti, right, make sure you don't cook it too soft so that it doesn't scatter and become too soggy in the sauce or in the beans. So let's say you're going to cook it like 50% done. Do you understand? You're going to cook it like 50% through, and then you're going to add it into the beans. Stir it very well to combine, add in some water or some meat stock, not a lot of water, just a little. Then I'm going to cover it. This covering is so that to cook and the spices and everything will enter inside the beans and the spaghetti together. And that's it. Your spaghetti and beans is ready. Is this something you're willing to try? If you say no, then I know that you're lying, because if you can eat rice and beans, everything do spaghetti and beans, eh?